Oh, I think the number of the snowmobiles in the shop is now becoming excessive. Today, we're going to work on the Alpine. If you don't remember, I picked the sled up a few months ago, and Cadence is already in there getting to work, so we will too. So I'll be honest, I don't know the exact year on it. I do have the VIN number, so I have yet to run the VIN number on it. I haven't been able to match it up to anything just yet. I was told that it was a 1970, but then there was a bunch of people on videos saying, no, that thing's older than that. And I also haven't really been able to match up the vents and stuff on the front, like how the headlights configured and the vents on the front. I haven't been able to really match that up to anything just yet, so I'm still not exactly sure on the year, but we got engine parts. All right, check this out. I previewed this in one of my other videos talking about clutching. You can go check that one out if you need some info on team clutching. But we're going to pull out our brand new cylinders right now. Sorry, not brand new, but reboard. Ooh, look at those shiny babies. And then we also got the brand new pistons for it as well that I had to ship away to get these cylinders overboard. Here is one of the pistons, if you don't remember what they look like. I forget which cylinder this was out of. Had to get them both done either way. But this is one of the scored up pistons on this thing. And now we have these same cylinders that were all scored up. Actually, one was just scored up. I think the other piston was okay. Yeah, it's definitely starting to wear there too. So we did both. We're probably going to have to go into the carb as well. Actually, we're definitely going to need to go into the carb. But I'm going to get these cylinders all cleaned up now. Wrist pins, needle bearings, all that good stuff. So I'm going to get that cleaned up and we'll get it reassembled. And hopefully we can make some smoke today because this thing hasn't ran in a long time. Let's do it. Let's put together a motor. First time we've ever done a motor here. Wow. I can't believe that. All right, we did everything to this thing. New rings, carb rebuild. The fuel system was actually in good shape. The fuel lines actually weren't cracked or anything like that at all. So I did a prime there, just to help get that the fuel sucked into the carb there, rather than just me reefing on it a whole bunch for the next 5 minutes. So we got fuel in the carb now. Oh man, I'm excited. Let's should turn over all by itself now. It's alive! No way. Oh, that's got some oil to burn off of it. Runs so good. And oh my gosh, it runs so good. Oh man, not that I ever had any doubt, but man, does that feel good when it just starts up smoothly like that. Like, look at this, look at this. Look how smoothly this thing starts. Left hand. Bam, no problem. So now that I know this thing runs, we can move on to our electrical. There's a bunch of stuff. This thing has electric start even, so we'll get the electric start working. I think it might just need a battery and go through the old trapper's toolbox in here too. And now that I know it runs, I can clean it all up. I didn't want to clean it up until we had a running engine, and now that it runs and moves, next video, we can either work on some more stuff or we'll take it out. I am freezing in here a little bit, so I'm going to wrap up that video there. Next video is some electrical, some drive stuff. Let's have a look at those clutches. Let's clean it up. Let's make it look pretty, and then let's do something with it. I hope you enjoyed a little bit of engine work today. That's the first engine work that we've ever had to do on the channel, isn't it? We've never had to take apart an engine before, which is pretty surprising. I just gotta make sure the Alpha's all ready to go for the weekend here now. So that's it. I gotta order some more parts for this thing. It needs a proper air filter and probably a fuel filter too. So we're not done with this thing yet. Thanks everybody for watching, and we'll see you very soon in the next one. Big smile on my face today.